Right guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. In today's video we're going to be going down to B&M just to see if there are any end of year special tropicals available at the moment. Today is delivery day for me at the Colville store in Leicestershire. Typically try and get down there on Mondays, as that's generally when the orders do come in. So what we'll do is just head straight down to store, take a look what's in, see if there's any more tropicals left, and see if we're going to get many more for the year as well. So let's jump straight down there. So as you can see in front of us here, we do have a couple new trolleys in. We've got one more of the kind of hardy shrubs coming in here. So this is your Compromosa Pacific Sunrise. Quite a nice little plant, £8.50 there. And of course, look, we've also got the larger fatsia japonica spider's webs coming in at just £8.50. These look quite decent size for, for the price compared to the last ones we picked up earlier, if you may have seen from the previous video. Down here, we've got trays of the evergreens, £8.50 for these. Good if you're trying to, kind of spread around a few evergreens in the garden. Blue Festucia, another one I'd certainly recommend picking up. Have a few in the garden here. And we've got a new pallet. Does look like the £37.50 trachycarpus is back in, which is nice to see, compared to the 65 one, which seemed about the same price. And I've just seen they do still have the large 65 ones there. A few more Phoenix canariensis. Again, with these, in my region, I would not have these. They don't survive for me. There's the 65-pound ones. You can see these are from last week if you saw our previous video. Again, quite a few more canariensis. I can see some olives and a few more just general trachycarpus in there. Nothing crazy, but we do have the sempervivum packs back in. Love these little plants. Great for rockeries, things like that. And I believe these ones are $8.50. I don't see the price on it, but they usually are. Very pretty evergreen, nice color pops on those there. Back here you can see again still have the large 150 trachycarpus. Again, they look like a bit sorry for themselves. You could probably pick up a deal on it though if you did come down. Another one I've just seen here, this is the bear me a second, kind of open it and have a look here. So this is your Persovica Blue Skies. Quite nice on that one. So you can see, yeah, it's still all packed up, guys. So if you are in the Leicestershire area, certainly come down and check it out. Just over here, you can see clearance rack full of plants, so lots of half price. It looks like a lot of stuff's half price at the moment here. I would imagine this is probably the same for most stores in B&M's at the moment, so definitely go down and check for those kind of midweek deals here. You can see just down here, we've also got down to $4.25 again on some of the shrubs. Got loads of new hebes in, lots of different colors and varieties. This one's got the variegation on it. You can just see all the way down to there. But just as we come back to the garden, guys, I'd certainly recommend checking out B&M if you got one near you. Pick up one of the deals there as well. Now, just as an added bonus at the end of the video, I will be putting a video out on this very soon, but I just wanted to show you something. And if you do know what it is, put it down in the comments. As mentioned, I will be putting a video out on this soon, but this is my chamaerops, and you can see it is doing this to a lot of the new leaves coming out. You can see just down in there, you can see pretty much all over the plant. We're getting these really funny, odd-shaped, very stiff, it's fully attached, it's not falling off or anything like that. But as mentioned, if you do know what this is, put it down in the comments for me. As I say, I will be putting out a video of exactly what this is and what to do with it if you do have any of your palms starting to look like this. Again, it's only affected this chamaerops here, which is my large triple trunk. Just show you around here. But yeah, with that said, guys, just a little teaser on that. And again, if you do made it this far in the video and you're interested to put down what you think it is in the comments, certainly do so. Love to hear your thoughts on that. But of course, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, they'll be in the comment section below. And with that said, of course, if you're not subscribed to our channel, feel free to do so. Of course, we try and get these out as often as we can and as soon as we can, so to keep you guys informed on what's in B&M and Morrison's, other shops like that. Of course, if you're not subscribed yet, feel free to do so. There's a new hype button on sort of the smaller creators videos at the moment, and I think YouTube is testing out this new feature where you can essentially hype your favorite creators or favorite videos, things like that. And I do believe you only get 3 a week. Again, I've not done much research on this, but with that said, certainly feel free to hype the video, guys. Certainly helps us out and help to grow the channel. But with that said, of course, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.